Our content analysis tool is intended to help you uncover the strengths and weaknesses of your site by looking at your top competitors. When you triggered and created your content analysis, you were able to see your top competitors and choose 3 of them for this report. You're going to see top level information here on the dashboard in terms of their overall citation and trust flow representing their links, as well as keywords and traffic and estimated traffic value for those domains overall. To see more detailed information about the additional competitors in your space that you didn't compare against, you can check out your top competitors here and see the common keywords that you share with those competitors, their total keywords and total amount of traffic for those domains. So you can run 3 total content analysis for free on our platform. Once you have an idea of your competitors, you want to see what they're doing that is unique. So heading over to the content gap analysis, this is going to show you how many #1 ranked pages they have, an estimate of their overall organic traffic, and how many unique keywords they're ranking for currently. If you go down to the competitor content by topic, you can actually see which pieces of content are ranking, what terms and phrases are currently sending them traffic, and get an idea of some terms and phrases that you might want to explore for yourself, whether it's reviews, whether it's a topical piece about that particular company, or whether it's a topical article that you want to start based off of what you've seen from these competitors. You can take a look at this comparison chart and find how on individual keywords your competitors are stacking up. If somebody's not performing at all for that bucket, sometimes it's about finding the gap, and sometimes it's about finding keywords and phrases that none of you are ranking for. Once you find some valuable terms, you can check them off and add them to a keyword list so you can follow up on it. So here are some examples of keywords I've collected and tagged for what purpose. Do we want to make new content? Do we want to optimize existing? Is it in progress? Do we need an article, a landing page, or a video for that term or phrase? And if you dig into it, you can see, what's the overall search volume, and designate, what type of content this is going to be, what the intent is, what type of features it might have, and its location in your search funnel. So you can go through and add additional information for the data that you find for these keywords that you find, and then export and send those off to a content writer to create content for that particular niche. If you want to see how your site is doing specifically and get an overview of your top terms and phrases, just jump over to your top keywords section. This might be a good place to grab some keywords and phrases that you want to optimize. And again, you can also grab top keywords and phrases that your competitors are currently ranking for in traffic. So overall, the content analysis tool surfaces useful terms and phrases that you can optimize, allow you to build content marketing campaigns around new topical goals, or to optimize current content.